If you're a man over 60 who drinks what you think is healthy every single day for your heart, pause and pay attention. That drink might be why your prostate is swelling. It's not just age that's enlarging your prostate and stealing your sleep with constant bathroom trips. You're consuming what everyone said was good for you, not realizing it's slowly inflaming your prostate. I'm Dr. Andrew Matthews, board-certified urologist and prostate specialist. For 30 years, I've been helping men in their 60s, 70s, and 80s shrink enlarged prostates through correcting daily dietary habits. What I've seen again and again is shocking. I remember 71-year-old William telling me, "Doc, I drink healthy stuff all day, but I'm up peeing every 2 hours at night." What if I told you that certain heart-healthy drinks are loaded with compounds that directly inflame your prostate tissue? Worse, they're recommended by most mainstream health organizations. What I've discovered over 3 decades is this: the best medicine for your prostate isn't in a prescription, it's in changing what you drink daily. In this video, I'll reveal the daily habit that's enlarging your prostate and 3 powerful dietary changes that can naturally shrink your prostate and restore comfortable urination within weeks. Stay with me because I'll expose the one daily drink that 80% of health-conscious men consume, thinking it's beneficial while it's secretly inflaming their prostate. Before we dive into these eye-opening truths about daily habits silently enlarging your prostate, make sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell. This channel is designed to help men reclaim their prostate health through smart daily choices. Food impact engagement. If this topic resonates with your situation, if you're dealing with frequent urination or prostate concerns, type the number 1 in the comments. If you want different health topics covered, type 0 to help me improve these videos. Content transition with authority. All right, now let's begin with the daily habit that's silently enlarging the prostates of millions of men who think they're making healthy choices. Richard, a 68-year-old retired engineer, came to my office frustrated by increasingly frequent urination and poor sleep quality that was destroying his quality of life. He'd been consuming healthy fruit juices daily for over 5 years on his doctor's recommendation for heart health. "Doc, I don't understand it," Richard said, looking exhausted and defeated. "I drink fresh orange juice and cranberry juice every day, natural, no added sugar, just like my cardiologist recommended for my heart. I've cut out soda completely, I exercise regularly, I take my supplements religiously, but I'm up 4 times a night to urinate and my stream is getting weaker every month." Richard's prostate had enlarged significantly, and his PSA levels were elevated beyond normal ranges. The heart-healthy fruit juices he consumed daily were creating chronic inflammation that was systematically enlarging his prostate through mechanisms he never understood. He had no idea his healthy drinks were the root cause of his escalating urinary problems. Richard's daily fruit juice consumption, orange juice, cranberry juice, and apple juice, contained massive amounts of concentrated fructose and inflammatory compounds that directly trigger prostate enlargement through multiple biological pathways. High fructose intake causes rapid insulin spikes that promote inflammatory pathways throughout the body, with the prostate being particularly vulnerable to this inflammatory assault. The concentrated sugars in fruit juice create oxidative stress that damages prostate tissue and triggers inflammatory responses that compound over time. Fruit juices also contain high levels of potassium and certain plant compounds that can irritate the prostate when consumed in large quantities daily. The lack of fiber in juice means the sugars hit your bloodstream rapidly, creating maximum inflammatory impact without the protective buffering effect of whole fruits. The chronic inflammation from daily juice consumption causes prostate tissue to swell and grow progressively. Over time, this leads to the classic symptoms of enlarged prostate: frequent urination, weak stream, incomplete bladder emptying, and nighttime urination that destroys sleep quality and overall well-being. Men over 60 are especially vulnerable because their prostates are already under hormonal stress from declining testosterone and increasing estrogen levels, making them more susceptible to inflammatory damage. The prostate enlargement from fruit juice consumption creates a devastating cascade of sexual and urinary problems that progressively worsen over time. The swollen prostate presses against the urethra, causing weak urination, frequent trips to the bathroom, and that frustrating feeling of never completely emptying your bladder. Sleep quality deteriorates dramatically as men wake up multiple times nightly to urinate, leading to chronic fatigue and significantly reduced sexual desire. The chronic inflammation affects erectile function as blood flow to sexual organs decreases due to systemic inflammatory damage. Many men develop anxiety around sexual activity, worried about embarrassing interruptions for bathroom breaks. The psychological impact compounds the physical problems, creating avoidance of intimacy and progressive loss of sexual confidence. The progressive nature means symptoms worsen over time, without intervention, eventually requiring medical procedures or surgery if left uncorrected. Your prostate is extremely sensitive to inflammatory compounds, especially concentrated sugars that create oxidative stress and tissue damage. When you consume large amounts of fruit juice daily, you're literally bathing your prostate in inflammatory compounds that promote enlargement. The fructose in fruit juice is processed differently than glucose, creating more inflammatory byproducts that specifically target prostate tissue. Research shows that men who consume high amounts of fruit juice have significantly larger prostates and more severe urinary symptoms compared to men who avoid these beverages. The concentration process removes beneficial fiber while concentrating harmful sugars, making juice far more inflammatory than whole fruits would ever be. Reversing juice-induced prostate enlargement requires eliminating the inflammatory assault and supporting prostate healing through proper nutrition. This means abandoning all fruit juices, even natural, and no added sugar varieties that seem healthy. The prostate tissue can reduce inflammation and return to normal size when the inflammatory triggers are removed consistently. Men who eliminate fruit juice often notice improvements in urinary symptoms within 2 to 4 weeks as prostate inflammation decreases and tissue begins healing. The key is understanding that prostate health is directly connected to inflammation levels, and inflammation is directly connected to your daily beverage choices. Change the input, change the output dramatically. Eliminating inflammatory fruit juices is crucial. But prostate healing requires more than just avoiding harmful drinks. Your prostate needs specific nutrients to reduce inflammation, support healthy size, and optimize urinary function for long-term health. The good news is that certain foods and beverages can actively shrink enlarged prostates by reducing inflammation, supporting healthy hormone balance, and providing protective compounds. These aren't exotic treatments. They're common foods that most men can easily incorporate into their daily routine. Let me show you 3 powerful dietary changes that can naturally shrink your prostate and restore comfortable urination. Frank, a 73-year-old retired coach, came to me with severe prostate enlargement, causing nightly urination every 1-2 hours that was destroying his life. He was exhausted, his quality of life was poor, and he was seriously considering surgical options. "Doc, I'm desperate," Frank explained with obvious frustration. "I can't sleep more than 2 hours at a time. I can't travel anywhere. I can't do anything without constantly planning around bathroom locations. The medications my doctor prescribed aren't helping much, and the side effects are making me feel worse." I recommended Frank replace all beverages with specific green tea preparations known to reduce prostate inflammation through natural compounds. He was skeptical that something as simple as tea could address serious prostate problems requiring medical intervention. 8 weeks later, Frank returned completely amazed by his transformation. "Doctor, I sleep through the night now," he said with obvious relief and excitement. "My stream is stronger. I urinate half as often during the day, and I feel like I got my life back completely. Frank's prostate had measurably decreased in size through strategic green tea consumption. Green tea contains powerful polyphenols, particularly EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, that specifically target prostate inflammation and help reduce enlarged prostate tissue through multiple biological pathways. EGCG inhibits the inflammatory pathways that cause prostate enlargement while promoting healthy cell death in overgrown prostate tissue. This compound also blocks the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone to DHT, the hormone primarily responsible for prostate enlargement in aging men. The anti-inflammatory effects extend throughout the urogenital system, reducing irritation and swelling that contribute to urinary symptoms and discomfort. Green tea polyphenols also support healthy blood flow to the prostate, promoting healing and optimal function. Regular consumption creates cumulative anti-inflammatory effects over time. The protective compounds accumulate in prostate tissue, providing ongoing protection against enlargement while actively reducing existing inflammation. The optimal preparation involves steeping high-quality green tea for specific time periods to maximize beneficial compound extraction while minimizing caffeine content that could irritate the bladder. The prostate size reduction from green tea consumption directly improves urinary function and sexual health through multiple mechanisms. Men typically notice stronger urine stream and less frequent urination within 3 to 4 weeks of consistent consumption. Improved sleep quality from reduced nighttime urination leads to better energy levels and increased sexual desire. The reduced prostate pressure on surrounding tissues improves erectile function and sexual sensation significantly. The anti-inflammatory effects support overall male reproductive health, including improved sperm quality and hormone balance. Many men report feeling more confident about sexual activity without worrying about urinary interruptions. The natural approach means no pharmaceutical side effects while providing comprehensive prostate and sexual health support. Drink 3 to 4 cups of high-quality green tea daily, steeped for 3 to 5 minutes in 175-degree water for optimal compound extraction. Consume between meals for optimal absorption of beneficial compounds. Choose organic, loose-leaf green tea for maximum polyphenol content and avoid processed tea bags. Avoid adding milk or sugar, which can interfere with compound absorption. Spread consumption throughout the day, ending at least 4 hours before bedtime to avoid nighttime urination. Consistency is key. Daily consumption provides cumulative prostate protective benefits. Harold, a 69-year-old widower, struggled with an enlarged prostate causing weak urination and constant urgency that was controlling his daily life. His urologist had mentioned potential surgical procedures, but Harold wanted to try natural approaches first before resorting to medical interventions. "Doc, I feel like my body is betraying me," Harold confessed with obvious distress. "I can't even finish urinating properly without having to go again in an hour. It's embarrassing and exhausting." I recommended Harold implement a daily pumpkin seed protocol specifically designed to provide prostate-supporting nutrients through targeted nutrition. He was doubtful that simple seeds could address serious prostate enlargement requiring medical attention. 10 weeks later, Harold's prostate had decreased in size significantly, and his symptoms had dramatically improved beyond his expectations. "I can't believe something so simple could work this well," he marveled. "My urination is normal again, and I sleep through the night peacefully." Pumpkin seeds contain exceptionally high levels of zinc, which is essential for prostate health and preventing enlargement. Most men over 60 are severely zinc deficient, directly contributing to prostate problems and hormonal imbalances. Zinc helps regulate DHT levels, the hormone that causes prostate enlargement in aging men. Adequate zinc intake can significantly reduce DHT production and help shrink enlarged prostate tissue naturally. Pumpkin seeds also contain beta-sitosterol and other plant sterols that have anti-inflammatory effects specific to prostate tissue. These compounds help reduce swelling and irritation while supporting healthy urinary function. The seeds provide healthy fats that support hormone production and reduce systemic inflammation throughout the body. The combination of zinc, plant sterols, and healthy fats creates a powerful prostate healing effect. Daily consumption provides sustained nutrient delivery to prostate tissue, supporting both healing of existing enlargement and prevention of future problems. The prostate health improvements from pumpkin seed consumption enhance both urinary and sexual function significantly. Reduced prostate size leads to improved urine flow and less frequent urination. The zinc support improves testosterone production and sexual desire naturally. Many men notice increased libido and better erectile function as zinc levels normalize. The anti-inflammatory effects support overall reproductive health, including improved sperm quality and sexual stamina. The hormone balancing benefits help maintain masculine vitality and sexual confidence. Better sleep from reduced nighttime urination improves energy levels and mood, further supporting sexual health and relationship quality. Consume 1/4 cup raw, unsalted pumpkin seeds daily, preferably soaked overnight to improve digestibility and mineral absorption. Eat seeds on empty stomach in morning for optimal zinc absorption. Avoid consuming with dairy or high-fiber foods that can interfere with mineral uptake. Choose organic raw pumpkin seeds for maximum nutrient content. Light toasting is acceptable, but avoid heavily processed or salted varieties. Consistency is crucial. Daily consumption over 8 to 12 weeks provides optimal prostate healing benefits. Paul, a 74-year-old retired airline pilot, experienced severe prostate inflammation with painful urination and constant discomfort that was significantly impacting his quality of life. His quality of life had deteriorated significantly due to chronic prostate problems. "Doc, it hurts to urinate, and I feel like there's constant pressure down there," Paul explained during our consultation. "I've tried various medications, but the side effects are almost worse than the original symptoms." I recommended Paul implement a daily lycopene protocol using specific tomato preparations. 4 months later, Paul's prostate inflammation had dramatically decreased. "The pain is completely gone, the pressure is gone, and I feel normal again," he told me with obvious relief. "I never thought food could be this powerful for healing." Cooked tomatoes and tomato paste contain extremely high concentrations of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that specifically targets prostate inflammation and helps prevent enlargement through cellular protection. Lycopene accumulates in prostate tissue and provides ongoing protection against oxidative stress that contributes to prostate problems. This compound has been shown to reduce prostate size and improve urinary symptoms in clinical studies. The cooking process breaks down cell walls and makes lycopene significantly more bioavailable than raw tomatoes. When combined with healthy fats, lycopene absorption increases dramatically. Lycopene also supports healthy hormone balance by protecting against estrogen dominance that contributes to prostate enlargement. The antioxidant effects reduce inflammation throughout the urogenital system. Regular consumption creates cumulative protective effects over time. The lycopene concentration in prostate tissue continues to increase with consistent consumption, providing enhanced protection against enlargement and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory effects of lycopene improve both prostate health and sexual function significantly. Reduced prostate inflammation leads to more comfortable urination and better bladder emptying. The antioxidant protection supports healthy blood flow throughout the reproductive system, enhancing erectile function and sexual sensation. Many men notice improved sexual stamina and performance as inflammation decreases. The hormone balancing effects help maintain healthy testosterone levels while reducing harmful estrogen effects. Better prostate health translates into increased sexual confidence and reduced anxiety about urinary symptoms during intimacy. The overall anti-inflammatory benefits support energy levels and vitality that enhance sexual desire and performance naturally. Consume cooked tomato products daily. 2 to 3 tablespoons tomato paste, 1 cup marinara sauce, or 1 cup cooked tomatoes with olive oil for maximum benefit. Always combine with healthy fats like olive oil or avocado to maximize lycopene absorption. Cooking and fat are essential for bioavailability. Choose organic tomato products to avoid pesticides. Concentrate on paste and sauce rather than fresh tomatoes for maximum lycopene content. Gentlemen, what we've discovered today isn't just about fixing prostate problems. It's about understanding that your prostate health is directly connected to your daily beverage and food choices. You now know that the fruit juices you thought were healthy were systematically inflaming and enlarging your prostate. More importantly, you understand that healing is possible through strategic dietary changes. Your prostate has a remarkable capacity to reduce inflammation and return to healthy size when given the right nutritional support. This isn't about depending on medications or accepting surgical procedures as inevitable. This is about taking control of your prostate health through informed daily choices that support rather than undermine your natural urinary and sexual function. Your daily habits determine your prostate destiny. Choose wisely, and your body will respond accordingly. Let's recap what we've learned. High-sugar fruit juice consumption creates chronic inflammation and oxidative stress that systematically enlarges your prostate and destroys your sleep quality. This daily habit affects millions of men who think they're making healthy choices while slowly destroying their prostate health. The solution involves 3 strategic dietary changes: anti-inflammatory green tea that reduces prostate size and inflammation, zinc-rich pumpkin seeds that support hormone balance and shrink enlarged tissue, and lycopene-rich tomatoes that fight inflammation and protect against future enlargement. These aren't random food recommendations. They're targeted nutritional interventions based on the specific mechanisms of prostate health. Your kitchen becomes your pharmacy, your daily meals become your medicine, and your food choices become the foundation of your urinary comfort and sexual confidence. The foods you choose today will determine your prostate health tomorrow, next week, and for years to come. Here's your prostate healing challenge. Starting tomorrow, eliminate all fruit juices and implement one of the 3 healing dietary changes. Replace morning orange juice with green tea. Add pumpkin seeds to your daily routine. Include cooked tomatoes with olive oil in your meals. Don't try to change everything at once. Pick one change and implement it consistently for 3 weeks before adding the next. Your prostate will respond to better nutrition faster than you expect. Many men notice initial improvements in urinary symptoms within days, with significant prostate size reduction occurring over 6 to 10 weeks of consistent implementation. If this information opened your eyes to how daily habits affect prostate health, share this video with men who might be struggling silently with urinary problems or prostate concerns. Drop a comment and let me know, which daily habit surprised you the most? Which healing dietary change will you implement first? Remember, every meal is an opportunity to choose prostate health over enlargement, comfortable urination over constant bathroom trips, and peaceful sleep over nightly interruptions. Your prostate health is largely in your control through your daily food and beverage choices. Make them count for your comfort and confidence.